Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can download WhatsApp on your Redmi Note 13 Pro, and we will go ahead and go to our Play Store to download WhatsApp. First of all, we just need to type in WhatsApp here in our search bar, and then we need to click on install. Now we can go to our home screen and then WhatsApp pops up here. We can click on it, and now we can select our language. English is just fine. Welcome to WhatsApp. Family, friends, and other people who use our service may have uploaded your number to WhatsApp. If so, they can see you in their contacts after you sign up. Alright, agree and continue. Allow WhatsApp to send notifications, sure. And now we need to type in our phone number. We say next. Now it's asking us if this number is correct, and now we get a verification SMS and it verifies automatically. This is really nice. Contact the media to easily send messages and photos to friends and family. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, photos, and other media. Sure. Allow. Sure. If you previously backed up to Google storage and want to restore it, give WhatsApp permission to check your Google account for backups. We will skip this part right now. We do not want to set it up from any other things. So now we have our name here. We can edit that. We can put emojis behind it as well. And then when we click on our profile picture, this opens up and we can choose to make another picture with our camera. And here we can now make a picture of our beautiful gray background, for example, and then say done. We can crop that, done, and now we have a new profile picture. We say next, and then we have our chats here, we have updates, we have communities and calls. And here on these three little dots, we can go back to our settings and then have our account here. We can edit our name again or our photo. So that's how you can download and set up WhatsApp on your Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.